How's it going, YouTube? I'm a Brownster here from Interplanetary Purpley Thorny Corp, and I'm bringing you guys two Shadow Spectre special editions. Let's get this out. I see that tuning. I really don't want these. These cards are the bane of me. We've got 3 packs. There better be a Stardust Dragon in this one. I'm really not having a good day. Okay, so we've got 6 packs in total. 3 here, 3 in the background. I just wanted to complete my deck for Ghost Tricks. Got myself Mythic Water Dragon, Chain Ignition, Yellow Belgoni, Bajingi Abyss, Gigantic Castle, and Mythic Tree Dragon. Ghost Trick Scare. I already have a playset. Soul Drain Dragon, Vanish. That completes my playset. Sweet, I needed those two. A Raven and nothing good. I want to get myself an Alucard from this Archfiend Giant and Cha-Cha-Chan. Mythic Water Dragon again, Mira the Starbearer, Ghost Trick Vanish, Malice Varus Spoon, Mecha Phantom Beast, something, Magicalized Dustin Map, a Yuki-Onna Mansion, and a Mystic Tree Dragon. Come on, we need hollows here. 4 packs and nothing good. Skelosaurus, Token Bomb, and nothing. Pretty bad pack so far. Come on, last pack, number 64, and ultra rare Vampire Sorcerer. And another Stein, needed that. Well, this has been, I'm a Brownster from Purpley Thorny, Interplanetary Purpley Thorny Corp. That name is a mouthful, and see you next time.